This is a love reading for the sun sign Cancer from February to March. In this reading, I am doing a heart-shaped spread where on my left are the cards for you Cancer and on my right are the cards for your partner, your love interest, if you're married, then your spouse. So let us see what is the guidance from Tarot. Now please note that this is a general reading, so everything will not apply to all Cancer, and whatever may apply will vary in the intensity. So, who are you in the relationship? Who is your partner in the relationship? What is the strength or challenges you bring? What is the strength or challenges your partner brings? How do you see your partner? How does your partner see you? What is the hope or fear you have about this relationship or the partner? And what is the hope or fear your partner has about you or the relationship? In the future, what is the past you're coming from and what is the past your partner is coming from. And this is the overall guidance from tarot for the love reading. So let us see how's the guidance for you Cancer. Now, first of all, the two of you are consumed in some kind of regret, or you both are in your space dealing with some energy of being let down. You see, this man is not responding to three cups of love and emotion or something that has been offered to him. And here is also a person who's regretting over three cups or emotions, or acts of love or gestures, or maybe the relationships that have not worked out. So the two of you are dealing with equal amount of loss or some kind of emotional disappointment, but your situation is little bit better Cancer. So maybe some of you are just brooding over it, maybe you spend time on it as and when you get to, otherwise you are hard at work or doing what needs to be done. But your partner is taking this energy in a very intense way. So I'm seeing two people who are quite caught up in emotionally distressed situation, or maybe a little bit of a difficulty. Yeah. Now, it's also possible that Cancer you're dating someone who may be very senior to you by many years, and he or she has a very different point of view of understanding, or he or she may just have gone through way too much, and you are comparing your losses or disappointments with your partner, but it is nothing close to what your partner has gone through. So maybe the good part is your partner has can still make a turnaround and get in back into the relationship and start to enjoy life, and you're also getting a nice love offering where you can also come out of whatever pain or difficulty you're experiencing and come back more appreciative of this relationship. So the two of you need a bit of a work, but right now you both are disappointed or sad about some energy. It's quite possible the two of you may have experienced some loss of a friend, or there is some death the two of you are probably sad about. So I'm saying in your own way you both are sad about something which was very precious to the two of you. Yeah. So there is a great sense of disappointment that your partner is going through, and you are sad in your own way. So I don't know what this is. It may have something to do with money also, maybe something to do with your assets, some closed very close friend or a relative who may have gone through some difficulty or some accident, but the two of you are very very sad. I'm just seeing a very painful energy. Also, the two of you, it's quite possible, met at a you know place where both of you were trying to recover from this loss or trauma that you have been through. So the one connecting factor for the two of you looks like you both understand each other, and there is just so much compassion of what the other has been through. So what is the strength or challenges you bring Cancer, and what is the strength or challenges your partner brings? So you have a way of working with people, and I'm overall seeing is the energy of someone who's very light-hearted. So you're not very serious about life, which is very good Cancer, because you're able to work with disappointments very easily. If you make mistakes, you are not too critical on yourself. And then I'm seeing that internally you like to work with people, take people with you, and make sure everyone who's working with you, not just at work but working with you even maybe in a relationship or within the family, you make sure everyone is equally rewarded and acknowledged. So there is this very winning energy about you, where you're very confident about getting to where you want to be and then helping people out along the way. What I'm liking is a very light-hearted energy about you. You're not that stickler for things. You're very easy to work with and get along. Yeah. So very beautiful, easy cards that I'm seeing for you. What is the strength or challenges your partner is bringing? So your partner is someone who is first of all maybe is very mature and maybe also has a very serious or a good work experience or a solid work experience with them. So inherently your partner is someone very clever and they know that if a work doesn't get done in a very straightforward way, which is by being positive, doing everything right, keeping clarity of mind, they will use some very street smart ways to get to where they want to go. So this is not someone who is naive, who is innocent. If they have their days of probably whatever they are dealing with, but your partner knows better. He or she knows when to change the gear, when to change the tracks, and what game should come out in order to get to where they want to be. So I'm seeing someone with a very deep work experience, someone who's fairly mature and is maybe relationship wise your partner may be way older than you are, Cancer. Now, also some of you may be very surprised why your partner sometimes come out to be so stubborn or so strong-headed. Maybe sometimes as a partner you're not all that flexible, yeah. So sometimes you're not available, and then on a good many days you're not very flexible also. So most of the adjustments in the relationship looks like are being made by Cancer, but more or less Cancer you're not complaining because you are someone very easy to deal with, light-hearted. So possibly you're okay with making these adjustments. So how do you see your partner, Cancer, and how does your partner see you? Now you feel that your partner is not very appreciative of all the love and happiness that is coming along in the relationship. So somewhere you feel that this relationship has everything coming together for you and your partner, but that realization is not there with your love interest. Some of you feel that if you feel how could your partner not know that you are the person who is meant to be or who is going to be this soulmate connection. So some of you are very serious about this relationship and you feel underappreciated by your partner, and rightfully so, because I'm seeing a very strong sense of grief or sadness what your partner is dealing with. And on good many days your partner is not very flexible. They have very steady decision making ways and they will not really budge from the way they work and think, and it's coming from some deep experience also. So some of you may just learn to make room and work around the style this partner has, but some of you feel that this relationship is pretty much everything your partner was looking for, but he or she is not so appreciative of you and the love you have to give in the relationship. So, how does your partner see you, Cancer? Well, your partner feels that emotionally you don't come half the way. Now, that's a complaint your partner has for you, Cancer. Because, see, when I look at these cards, it's telling me both of you are emotionally occupied. You with some rejections or disappointments, either at work or maybe, with friends or in some social circle. And your partner is also intensely grieving some pain or sadness that may have happened in their space. Or maybe this is some common reason for the two of you to be sad about. So I'm seeing there's something for sure going on, and you have a complaint with your partner and your partner has a complaint with you, and your partner feels you don't come half the way also in understanding, making that bond and creating that connect. So this is also energy where not much is getting spoken. So Cancer, you need to speak up, you need to talk and get out of this mode of being sad and not. So some of you don't even reciprocate to love, yeah. So it's looking more like a relationship which is working, but then there is not much depth to it because the two of you have not spoken, or the two of you may be so sensitive that you just are leaving things as it is and how a day comes along rather than just bring it to forefront and talk about it. So your partner has fair share of complaints with you, Cancer, and you also feel very unappreciated. So both of you need to start to talk and maybe travel if you have to, because right now these energies are telling me you both will like to open up a bit more for this relationship to become more deep. Now, what is the hope or fear you have about this partner or the relationship? And what is the hope or fear your partner has about you or the relationship? So it's not looking good. Now, first of all, please note that this is a general reading, so everything will not apply to all Cancer. But some of you who are feeling little bit let down, you are feeling not understood all that well, and you both have, you both are caught up in your own phase of some sadness, and some of you Cancer where you feel you can't work around a partner who can be so stubborn sometimes. I am seeing that some of you feel that this relationship will come to an end, and it's quite possible that you may just pull the plug. Cancer, some of you may just want to end the relationship. Now this is only where the relationship is not working and some of you are having second thoughts. You are thinking about how do I work around it. I've given it my all and it's still not happening, or the partner is not responding or appreciative of all the love. So I am seeing there is a very strong guidance where this relationship is going to either come to an end because Cancer you will pull the plug, or it is going to undergo some change. And that change, if you see, this is a guidance where if you can handle that change which may show up in the future, if you can handle that, there is a sun waiting here, which means there is a lot of success waiting for this relationship. But this change is not easy to handle. Yeah, it is almost like something that was not working or that was already set in place in a certain way, maybe an equation of how the two of you communicate or how you probably do things. Once that goes through some intense change, if the two of you can just survive it, looks like it is headed for a very big success. Otherwise I see, and this, for some of you it may be, over as a relationship only where you are facing some problems and you really have some serious doubts of whether it's working or not. And looks like Cancer you will be the one who will make that decision. So I am seeing a lot of work which is showing up for you Cancer, you and your partner, and there is a bit of a pain also in the future. Yeah, so just gear up because it's telling me that don't wait for a crisis state where it is very urgent to decide that either you both move along or you part ways. It's better that you two start talking already and then create some kind of a, understanding or set some kind of a basic equation right. Otherwise, this is not looking good here. Now, what is the hope or fear your partner has about you or the relationship? Well, your partner feels that this is the best they can do in the relationship, and he or she is somewhere just they feel that you have given up trying and your partner has also given up trying. So, in the future, your partner feels that, you know, this may be imperfect in a lot of ways, but they feel that if this relationship continues, it will continue with this pain situation. It's like living life being chained to each other. So your partner feels that maybe should they choose to continue in this relationship, it will almost be like a prison or hopeless situation. There is something for sure going on because you both are fairly sad and disappointed, and the energy of disappointment is very intense with your partner. Now, it could be that the two of you are unable to handle some financial situation or some crisis, which is common to the two of you. or maybe your partner is sad in his or her own way, and you have your own rejections and life which is not going all that perfect, because your partner is also feeling that you both are just stuck with each other and nothing seems to move. So your partner also feels maybe the only way to set yourselves free is to you know you just give up or stop trying, because right now your partner feels that he or she stopped trying and you have also stopped trying. So I'm seeing hopelessness that your partner is feeling in this situation. So both of you are feeling that it will either come to an end or there is absolutely no way out into the relationship. But you see, these cards are not all about an ending. It is also about winning over your fears or that rejection. Now when I see this energy, it's telling me that Cancer, should you choose to change something, and if you both can work, there is success waiting, but it won't be easy. And here your partner feels there is a hopelessness in the situation, but the two of you have stopped trying to make or improve your situation. So the guidance really is, if you both want it, only then things will improve. If you both continue the way it is going on right now, it's not looking good at all. It's quite a bit of pain in the future for the two of you, yeah. So people on rocky relationships, you should start to talk up and create a lot of sense of understanding and love between the two of you. So what is the past you are coming from, Cancer, and what is the past your partner is coming from? So you have been someone who's dealt with just too many things in life. Maybe you found your job in a very difficult way. Maybe you completed your education in equally difficult way. And then maybe, your childhood was not all that great, and your love life is also probably not gone all that good. So you have been through a lot, and maybe it's taken you quite a good deal of time to be this person who's a winner, who likes to deal with people and take them with them. So you've had your share of pain in the past, yeah. And right now also you're still reeling from some energy of that pain in the present energy. What is the past your partner is coming from? Looks like your partner had it all going for them in the past, but then from this very naked and a free lady, partner has become a very old person with a very big long black cloak that they are wearing, to say that now they're almost in a hiding. Your partner may have gone through something very deep down distressing, and they're just not able to recover from it. So I'm seeing something was going very well for them, and then it probably abruptly came to an end. So they are, your partner does have a very deep experience. They may have come out of it very well, but then it's left them very scarred overall in their situation. So what is the overall guidance from tarot for this love reading? Okay. So first of all, I'm seeing that while the two of you are very fearful that this relationship could come to an end, the two of you cannot handle the challenge that is showing up in the relationship, and you both are very strongly feeling that maybe it will come to an end for whatever reason. The guidance is amazingly positive. It's just saying that if the two of you can hold it together, it is just a bad patch which is going to go out, and all the good times, lot of financial success, and everything will come together for you very easily. So maybe for some of you it's just about holding out and spending some more time in the relationship before you see a change. But don't undermine the energy of effort, putting the effort in the relationship to set things right. Yeah, on its own I am seeing there is higher energies in your favor working and making this relationship work. But then there is a lot of work you also need to put, Cancer and partner, to make the relationship work out beautifully. But right now, some of you are very, very worried that it may just not work out, or it is going to remain as hopeless a situation as it is right now. With this guidance, it's telling me you may be fairly wrong. Both of you may be fairly wrong that this relationship will come to an end, and your partner thinking that maybe there is no growth or no next level in this relationship. So two of you could be fairly wrong. But when there is a lot of work the two of you need to put to make this relationship work out well. Yeah. So this was your love reading, Cancer, from February to March.